So in this video we are discussing about Mazagon Shipbuilders and IREDA company. So first we'll go for Mazagon Shipbuilders. As of April 16, 2025, Mazagon Shipbuilders Limited (MDL) is experiencing notable advice in the share market due to recent corporate announcement and trading trends. Interim dividend announcement: MDL has declared a second interim dividend of 3 rupees per equity share for the dividend of financial year 2024 to 2025. The record date of determined shareholder eligibility is of April 16, 2025. Investors needed to purchase shares by April 15 to qualify for this dividend. The dividend payment is scheduled to be completed on or before May 7, 2025. So now we'll discuss about IREDA, that means Indian Renewable Energy Development Agency. It has announced its financial result for the fourth quarter of the fiscal year 2024 to 2025, showcase a robust growth across the financial metrics. Quarter 4 financial year 25 financial highlights: net profit is 501 crore, marketing a 49% increase from rupees 337 crore in quarter 4 financial year 24. Revenue from operation rupees 1905 crore, up to 36.93% compared to rupees 1391 crore in the same quarter last year. Net interest income rupees 758 crore, reflects a 57% year-on-year growth. Total expenses of 1285 crore, increases by 41% from rupees 912 crore in quarter 4 financial year 24. Full year financial year 25 performance: net profit is 1698 crore, a 36% of rise from 1252 crore in financial year 24. Revenue 6742 crore, up to 36% year on year. Loan book expanded to rupees 76,250 crore, a 28% increase from the previous year. Loan sanction rupees 47,453 crore, up to 27% year on year. Disbursement rupees 3,168 crore, reflects a 20% growth. Margin: net profit margin 25.14% in financial year 25, slightly down from 25.22% in financial year 24. Margin 31% in financial year 25 compared to 33.92% in previous fiscal year. Additional development: IREDA launches its first ever bond issue in March 2025, raising rupees 124 crore at an annual corporate rate of 8.40%. The company signed a physical agreement to raise external commercial borrowing from SBI's Tokyo branch from JPY 26 billion, include a green shoe option of JPY 10 billion. The board approved a borrowing program of up to 30,800 crore for financial year 26. Stock market reaction: following the announcement, IREDA's share price rallied, closing 9% higher at rupees 168 on the NSE. Share price movement: the company's share price has shown significant movement recently. On April 15, the stock surges nearly 10%, reaching at intraday high of rupees 2674 ahead of the record date for the interim dividend. As of April 16, the stock is trading around rupees 2731, reflecting continuous investors' interest. Government stake sale. The Indian government has announced plan to divest up to 4.83% of its stake in MDL, currently holding 84.83% of the company. In government intends to sell 11.4 million shares, that is 2.83%, with an option to offer an additional 2%. The shares are to be offered at the floor price of 2,525 each, approximately an 8% discount from the stock's closing price at the time of announcement. Trading activity. MDL has witnessed a surge in trading activity with over 7.2 million shares exchanged recently, amounting to a total value of approximately rupees 189 crore. Despite this high volume, the stock has underperformed its sector, although it remains above key moving average, indicates a positive trend in the short to medium term. Investors are advised to monitor this development closely, as they may influence the stock performance in the near future. So before ending up, we will check the prices of the important factors like oil price, that is WTI crude, and the price is 62.58 rupees, and it has grown 2% since last day. And the other one is Brent crude. The price of the Brent crude is 65.86 rupees. It has grown 1.84% from the last day. Another one is Murban crude, and the price is 67.16 rupees. It has increases by 1.71%. And other is natural gas, and the price is 3.26. We will check the other factor like Bitcoin, and the Bitcoin price is 72,23,953 rupees in Indian rupees. So today it has went up for the percent of 0.70. And the other factor we will check about the gold price, and the gold price is 97,250 rupees. Gold is drastically growing from the last 1 to 2 years. And after that we will check the Nifty 50 price, and the Nifty price is of 23,437 rupees. It has went up 0.5% since last day, and 108 points growth has taken place. So we'll check now Sensex BSE 77,044 rupees, 300 points it has grown from the last day, that means 0.40%. Earlier the market was down, but it has taken the U-turn. Now the market will go up by seeing the chart, as we all know how to read the chart. If you don't know how to read the chart, then my YouTube channel is there, you can watch through it.